Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert after every row in MS Excel. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want insert blank row after every row with easy method, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your MS Excel, then hold Control key, then select row. After that, right click on insert. In this you can see here entire row. Select this option, then click on OK. You can see here blank row has been inserted after every row. That's it guys. So in this you insert blank row after every row. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.